Let me go. I don't wanna be your hero. I don't wanna be a big man. Just wanna fight with everyone else.
Hello ASMR friends, Jonathan Briefcase here. It's Thursday afternoon, June 22nd, the first full day of summer. I'm on my lunch hour at work. I just got out of the octagon and survived this week and rewarded myself by getting myself this Batman fidget spinner. It's really cool. I'm going to do something with it. I'm not sure quite what yet. But as regarded uploads, the next full upload will be a new subscriber appreciation, and that will be Saturday afternoon or early evening with logos and roses and everything that we look forward to. Yummy food. And we'll see you then. It's a really nice day here. I hope you're having a wonderful day too. Take care. Bye.